thing of salsa. You put it on your meats, chickens, turkey, and everything. So that's what I use on for some seasonings or sauces sometimes. Here's the cashew milk that I have. There's 0 sugar, no soy or anything, because I try to stay away from the soy. So that's what I use on shakes or just to drink also. So here I have some jasmine rice still left over. Hummus I haven't quite dug into yet, but I would just dip raw veggies like bell peppers into it. This isn't the low fat, can't see it. There's only 70 calories and 45 calories of its fat, so 5 grams of fat. No sugar though, so that's kind of what I look for because you still need fat. So that one's pretty good. I also have roasted red pepper. 0 sugar too. Thank you. And this is the yogurt I get for the boys. Lower sugar than like 20 that's usually in like other ones. This is all natural. Here's a marinara sauce that I got, that you can use for pizza or spaghetti. It does have sugar, but even if you do like a personal little pizza, I don't think you'd even use a half a cup. So there may be like 2 grams of sugar. So I just look for healthier ones. I've been using this in my crock-pot chicken too, or in my stir fry. Only 2 grams of sugar for a tablespoon, which that could be high, but it's better than the ones that have like 12 or 15 or 9. I've seen one with 9 plus, so this is a lot better. So I get these sometimes, or the canned ones, always in water. You don't want in oil. Here's the low sodium soy sauce that I also use in the stir fry or the crock pot chicken too. Walmart brand, whatever. And here's some, syrups that you can use on pancakes, or if you make homemade ice cream with the frozen bananas, that I'll have to post again if you can't find it. But you can put this in there too, or on top of it, so it doesn't add sugar or anything. And this is the Ezekiel bread I usually get, low sodium, because it doesn't have sugar in it. Some of the other ones, like I think it's cinnamon raisin or raisin or something, has sugar in it. This has 0 sugar, so this is the one I get. So my husband wanted to make chimichangas. No. Well, whatever. Some kind of Mexican food. So I found a fat-free sour cream that only has 1 sugar, and usually that's rare. Usually it'd have a lot more sugar. So I got that at Sprouts. And this is the extra lean turkey that I usually get to make, tacos, or just get my protein in with seasoning. So that's the one I usually always get. And if I find frozen vegetables on sale, like the organic, I'll get them and kind of stock up a little bit. So I've got organic kale, and then also organic green beans too. If you ever find any fresh produce on sale, if you want to cut them up and put them in Ziploc bags and make sure that they're airtight, you can freeze your own, because it's pretty much, like doing that. You might want to look up to see how long they last if you freeze them yourselves, but so that's easier so it doesn't go bad either. And then this is the protein. I use the level 1. It's more of like a meal replacement. It has, it's a low carb one. So that's why I usually add like oatmeal or a piece of fruit, like a half a banana or something, with it, or eat it at the same time. And then the Formula 1 is the fast, the isolate, the fast digesting protein. So I usually do this right before my workout and after my workout. And then I have it stacked with the Ignition for the glycogen. So that's a stack together. So that'll help repair my muscles. And you don't have to get these, but this is what I think has helped me the last 3 months, putting those together. I have creatine and a pre-workout, but I haven't taken it yet because I still am nursing. So they do have those too, and I have my multivitamin too. So that's kind of a little gist of what I take and eat, etc. So hopefully it helps.